Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on East Kings House Road, and this road is being repaired under the REACH program. The REACH program is a program where the government is going to be patching roads, main roads in particularly, mostly main roads. And this is East Kings House Road, so it's going to be patched under the SPARK program. Now, this program is a $5 billion program where the government is going to be fixing the main roads, patching them. This road, however, should have been fixed under the CAPEX program, which is where they're going to be spending, I think it's $11 billion to fix 6 roads. This road is going to become a dual carriageway. It's going to have 4 lanes with a little concrete barricade in the middle. It's going to look just like Constant Spring Road or Barbican Road. However, although that project has been approved for about 3 years now, they haven't started. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. But for now, because the road was in such a bad state, they are going to be patching it. So we'll keep you guys updated on the work that's going on now through the REACH program and the CAPEX program when that one starts. Now, there's another road project going on in Jamaica called the SPARK program, which is where they're going to spend $45 billion to fix the roads. That's not patching, that would be the entire road fixed. So it's 2 different programs. You have REACH, the $5 billion program, which is what they're using to fix this road, where they fix the potholes, so they just patch the potholes. The SPARK program, they do over the entire road, and then the CAPEX program is where they were to fix 6 main roads, 3 in Kingston, 3 in Portmore. And East Kings House Road was one of the roads. East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road was considered one project. South Camp Road would be another project, and the widening of the bridge on Washington Boulevard would have been another project. We'll go through the 3 roads in Portmore another time. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.